guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. How was Christmas? How was New Year? I hope you are loving 2018 so far. I certainly am. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick tutorial on this matte neutral glam look that I've got on right here. So without further blah blah blah, we're just going to get straight into it. But before I go, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your New Year's resolutions are if you've made any, and then let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so as usual, I have already done my eyebrows and primed my lids. So today we're going to do that kind of taupey look. So I'm just going to go straight in and get in on that transition colour, picking up my favourite fluffy brush. Because this is more cool toned, I'm not going to use the typical warm colour that I would use on my Morphe palette to do my transition, which is this orangey rusty colour here. I'm actually going to go in and use this colour over here, which is a kind of sandy brown. The interesting thing about these colours in the Morphe palette, especially on the cool side of this palette, is that they are deeper than they appear in the pan. So while that colour looks quite light in the pan, it actually applies quite deep on the eye. I'm being quite generous with this, packing it on and then going in to blend it out. And just above that, I'm going to go in with this colour here. Okay, picking up a more compact blending brush, and then I'm going to go into this deep colour here. I'm going to work this into the outer portion and just into my crease, not too high because I don't want to make that other colour disappear. So I'm just packing it into the corner and then sweeping it out slightly. And then right in the corner, going into this dark colour here in the corner. Okay, time to cut that crease. I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn and a flat synthetic brush. For that to dry down, and as I do, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I've already primed my skin with my Becca primer and my ordinary silicone primer to smooth out the pores. So I'm going to go in with a mix of two Maybelline Fit Me foundations. So this is the shade 360, which is my normal shade, Mocha, and shade 365, which is Espresso. So because I've been out in the sun over Christmas period, then just a little mix of this will kind of bring out my colour right now. For highlight, I'm actually just going to go back straight into the 360 alone. I don't want anything too dramatic. And just dab that on under my under eyes with a synthetic fluffy brush. I'm just using that same brush, stipple that in under the eyes. Like so. Okay, concealer looks to be setting on the eyes now, so I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette And I'm going to use that lighter shade that I took up towards the brow bone, which is this one right here, and I'm going to go over the concealer with that shade. And I'm using packing motions as I do this, not sweeping motions, because the concealer still has some stickiness to it. So just want to make sure that this adheres and doesn't wipe off the concealer, so just packing motions. And what I'm doing now, by the way, is I'm going into this yellowy looking shade right here and just putting a bit of that on top. Okay, now that we've got that on, going back to that compact brush that I had before and into my first transition shade, this one. And I'm going to use that to help blend in this shadow on this outer portion. Remember, we never want harsh lines, so blending is absolutely key. I'm just bringing this one in a little bit because I went over with the concealer, so it was looking a bit wider than the other eye, so I'm just trying to balance that out. And so we don't lose any of that depth going into those deep dark shades to pack on that colour on the outer corner. I'm so used to doing a warm look, so I'm so tempted to go into my typical warm colours, but I'm trying to refrain. Okay, give me a minute, gonna do my liner and my lashes, and I'll be right back to finish up the rest of my face. Okay, so my lashes and liner are on. Now just to go in and set my under eye, I'm gonna use a teensy brush just because I didn't use concealer and it was foundation. With a little bit of Fix Plus and my usual setting powder. Just to off some of the excess. And I'm just dabbing this in under my eye. Make sure we don't get any creasing. Down the bridge of my nose. My Cupid's bow as well. Grabbing a fluffy brush just to dust that off. Contour, keeping it very matte as well, and cool tone, going back into my Morphe palette and picking up this shade right here. Just going to pick up a teensy little bit to help contour those cheeks. A bit on the forehead, because you know. I'm going to set my entire face with Skindinavia finishing spray before I do the lips. For lips, going in with my favourite Colourpop combo for brown nude lips, which is Beeper, which is that lighter colour, and Limbo. So Limbo is going to go all over the lips and then a little bit Beeper in the centre just to brighten that up. Because Limbo is quite dark, I'm not going to use a liner. So just going to start off in the middle and sweep that across. To apply Beeper, I put on a teensy bit from the brush and dab that in the centre of my lips, like that. And then I use a synthetic fluffy brush to help blend that out. I find that gives the best, most natural looking ombre lip. Nowadays I used to do a smacking together of the lips, but nowadays, if it's not a brush, it's not cutting it. I'm going to brighten that up just a teensy bit more. Tiniest little dab. And you really just do need the tiniest amount. For an all-over dusting, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me in Espresso. I'm not going to put that in the centre of my face, more on just the perimeter, and really just a very light wash. Alright guys, this is the finished look. A matte neutral glam look that you can wear kind of like during the day. I really did struggle to keep the colours as matte as possible as I could. I kept wanting to reach into warmer colours as well to put on my eye, but I think the taupey look looks really good with this lid colour. I think it's allowed it to pop. These lashes are nice and fluffy as well, so giving it a little bit of added glam and drama without being too much. And as I said, my perfect matte lip combo, which is Colourpop's Beeper and Limbo mixed together. You can get both of those on Cocoon Beauty KE, so I'll make sure to leave the details on screen and down below. Check that out. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.